Hello Aquarius, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. First of all, a very happy new year to all my Aquarius in advance. Okay, so I welcome you all in my channel. This is your general love reading for December 2020. So this is the last reading for December. After that, I'm going to do your January reading. So let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. I don't read reversals. You can check it out your sunshine, your moonshine, and your Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. Okay. So let's start your reading. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, and thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, for commenting beautiful messages. I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner, and I will try my level best to deliver all the messages, whatever messages I'm getting here for you. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angel, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Knight of Cups, Ten of Wands, what are the messages? Six of Wands, what are the messages? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Hermit, Justice, what are the messages? See, while shuffling also, I was seeing Ace of Cups from three of the decks. I was seeing Ace of Cups while shuffling before I make your reading, before start your reading. I was doing your pre-shuffling, and while doing your pre-shuffling, I was getting Ace of Cups here, Two of Cups, Aquarius, soulmate energy is there around you. There is a soulmate for you. Okay. Two of Cups. Two of Cups all refers to soulmate. Someone is trying to give you Ace of Cups. Some kind of justice is being served in your case. Too many cards. Okay. What are the messages? Wow. Knight of Swords. They're rushing towards you. Any other message? Wow. Ace of Pentacles. You are having today two aces, Aquarius. Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Wow. Beautiful reading for today. Ten of Pentacles. You are receiving your Ten of Pentacles, abundance of everything. Page of Cups and Two of Swords. There is someone who is trying to give you some kind of apology or something. Then there is Two of Swords here. Either you are unable to make a decision for your life. Okay, too many cards. I'm not going to take it. Okay, I'm not going to take it because it just fell out of my hand. Okay. What are the messages? See, Two of Wands again. Two of Wands, Two of Swords. You have to make a decision for yourself, Aquarius, but you are unable to make a decision. Any other message? Again, too many cards. Nine of Cups. Queen of Pentacles. The Fool. Any other message? You have to move in a forward direction, Aquarius. The Chariot is here. And you know this truth. There is King of Swords here. There is some kind of situation which is going to end in your life and you're keeping your strength with you. There is Strength, Death, King of Swords and Chariot. You have to keep your strength. There is Hierophant and there is Four of Cups. You are not ready to accept a cup which is shown for you, which is given to you. Maybe there is someone around you who is giving you an offer of marriage, because Hierophant is all about marriage. They want to get married to you, or you are already married to them, but you are not in a mood to accept the cup from them. They want to take a leap of faith in you, Aquarius. You are the wish fulfillment for them. There is Nine of Cups, Queen of Pentacles and the Fool. You are the wish fulfillment for them. And they see you as someone who is financially stable or grounded, who can manage their finances very easily, an independent woman. Okay, Queen of Pentacles is here. And they want to take a leap of faith with you. Can you see the Fool card? And lot of yellow energy is there today. You are the wish fulfillment for them. There is Nine of Cups here. Nine of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, the Fool. They want to start a new beginning with you. They want to take a leap of faith with you. Maybe some of you Aquarius are receiving their marriage proposal or a commitment in a relationship. But you are not in a mood to accept it. You are not accepting it by the Four of Cups. Okay, Aquarius, there is someone around you who is a Knight of Cups. There is a love offer which is coming towards you. The Knight of Cups is all about someone who is very loyal, who is very romantic, okay, full of emotions. They are coming towards you. But you are carrying lots of burden on your shoulder. You are getting success in releasing all the burdens, whatever burdens you are carrying on your shoulders, because there is no 11. So you are releasing all the burdens on your shoulders which you were carrying in the past. You're getting success in releasing that. Can you see? Six of Wands. You're getting success in releasing that burdens, all the burdens which you were carrying on your shoulders, by doing your soul searching, by looking answers from within yourself, by looking your inner work, by doing your inner work. 0909 was the recording reading time. You were looking answers from within yourself. You're taking the energy of Hermit, and you were looking answers from within your soul, that what your soul wants. And you're getting some kind of karmic justice, Aquarius. There is a justice here, okay? The karmic justice is being served in your case. Some kind of justice is going through in your life with this Ace of Cups. Someone is there in your life who is trying to give you Ace of Cups, a cup full of emotions. Can you see? The cup which is overflowing with emotions. They want to give you all emotional fulfillment to you, and this is your soul mate. There is Two of Cups. They are rushing towards you. There is Knight of Swords here. Beautiful. To give you some kind of stable committed offer or a stability with this Ace of Pentacle. 1010 is the recording reading time. And then see again, to give you a stable committed offer, to give you 10 of Pentacles, abundance of everything. They're rushing towards you. They're coming towards you. Your soulmate is coming, Aquarius, to give you commitment, to give you stability in your life, in your career, in your money matters maybe. Okay, and lots of love is coming for you. They want to give you some kind of stable committed offer. And 10 of Pentacle is all about abundance of everything, abundance of love, abundance of happiness, abundance of money, which they want to offer you. They want to offer you beautiful things. They want to offer you Ace of Cups. Maybe they will come with an apology, okay, with a sorry or with a small message. The Page of Cup is here. But you are unable to decide, Aquarius. You are unable to make a decision in your life. There is Two of Swords and there is Two of Wands. There is an urge of making a decision for your life. You are at the crossroads of your life. 1133 was the recording reading time. You have to make a decision for yourself. Right now you are unable to make a decision. You do not know which direction you have to do. You have to go. Okay, but you have to choose one direction, Aquarius, for yourself. You are contemplating and deciding. You are thinking that which direction I have to choose for myself. And you are right now you are unable to make a decision for yourself. You are blindfolded. Can you see this girl is blindfolded and carrying a swords around herself? She is so protective that she will cut immediately if anyone will enter in this aura around her. She is ready to cut them off without looking that who the person is coming, whether the person is good or not. You are not able to decide right now. You are not in a mood to decide. But either you are the wish fulfillment for this person who is coming towards you. They see you as wish fulfillment. There is Nine of Cups. There is Queen of Pentacle. They see you as wish fulfillment. They see you as someone who is financially stable, financially grounded, who know how to manage their finances. You are very good at manage your finances. Maybe some of you, Aquarius, are earning, okay, or you were already earning in the past, but you are good at managing your finances. Okay, you are grounded, stable, okay, and they see you as someone who is very good at managing finances. They want to start a leap of faith in you. They want to take a leap of faith in you. They, maybe some of you are going to get your marriage proposal. Maybe they are going to give you their marriage proposal. Aquarius, do you want to marry me? They may be going to ask you, or they are going to give you a commitment in the relationship which will be an equal to the marriage. A commitment is here. I can see a commitment is coming towards you. But why are you not in a mood to accept the cup? You have to move forward, Aquarius. Okay, that's why. So there was some kind of devil energy around you in the past. There was some kind of toxicity around you, and you were keeping your strength with them. But that situation is going to end, okay? That situation is going to end. That is not going to last forever, Aquarius. If you are not taking a decision based on this energy, do not take decision based on this energy, okay? Whatever situation was there, whatever toxicity was there in the past, you were keeping your strength. You were keeping your strength. You were not giving up. That's why that situation is going to end. There is, see, can you see, there is death and transformation is taking place for you. A rebirth is taking place, and you know that truth. There is King of Swords. You know that truth, and you have to move forward, Aquarius. There is a Chariot. You need to move in a forward direction, okay? You know what is right and what is wrong for yourself. So that was the energy which I'm getting for you. Your soulmate is there around you, Aquarius. There is a soulmate which I can see in these energies. Okay, there is a soulmate which is rushing towards you. They are going to give you beautiful things, Aquarius. There is Ace of Cups, there is Ten of Pentacles. They are trying to give you some kind of commitment, and that's the karmic justice which is being served in your case. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Emperor. What are the messages? High Priestess. What are the messages? Is there any message? Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Lovers, Aquarius. You have to use your intuitions, okay? You need to keep your temperance with you. I know there was some toxicity around you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Devil. There were some secrets which was hidden from you. The Moon is here. But whatever situation was happening for you, that is going to end soon now. There is Death card here. There is High Priestess. And the Judgment is here. The Judgment and the Justice is served in your case. Some of you Aquarius are feeling like an hangman. You can't move in a forward direction, but the message for you today is that you need to move in a forward direction. Yes, right. You need to keep your temperance, Aquarius, your patience with you. The Star is here. And again, in the bottom of the deck, I'm having Lovers. Again, this is your twin flame, your soulmate. You have to keep trust. Any other message? You are manifesting something, Aquarius. The Magician is here. You are manifesting new hopes and new desires for yourself. And now when you are receiving it, you are not ready to accept it. You are thinking and contemplating a lot because of the past things, whatever happened in the past. You are thinking that whether this person is going to deal with me in the same way. See again. You were manifesting your love, Aquarius, your soulmate. And the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Can you see the Star, the Magician and the Lovers? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius, because you were keeping your strength, Aquarius. You were not giving up, basically. Okay, that's the word I'm getting for you. You did not give up, Aquarius. Whatever life shows you, you were keep moving in a forward direction. You were saying like, okay, fine, this is the reason, this is the situation I have to deal. Fine, I'm going to deal with it and I'm going to come towards the calmer waters for sure. And I'm proud of you, Aquarius. I'm really, really proud of you. You are manifesting your divine counterpart in your life. And the Judgment is being served in your case. Whatever situation was happening in the past, it's going to end now. Okay, and that's the judgment which is made by the divine. That's why there is a justice here. The karmic justice is being served in your case. Death and rebirth is taking place. You have to take control of your life. You are rising as an Empress and you are using your intuitions. Can you see High Priestess and Emperor is here? Okay. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. I know whatever has happened in the past was not good at all. But heart chakra I was seeing while shuffling. Okay. But there is a but. Okay. The person right now who is rushing towards you is trying to give you some emotional fulfillment, who's trying to give you some stability in your life, stable committed offer, a 10 of Pentacles, prosperity is coming towards you. There are the loyal one. You are not, see, you need healing, Aquarius. Or some of you Aquarius are going to get your complete healing. Okay, maybe some of you Aquarius are requiring more healing. So do your healing, Aquarius, from the past things, whatever has happened in your life in the past. And some of you Aquarius are completing your healing. Okay, the frequency of healing supports our ability to restore our health and wholeness by consciously using the information that comes to us through our senses and harmonizing everything accordingly. Right, beautiful message for you. Whatever is coming towards you, Aquarius, don't judge them. Okay, because I can't see anything bad till now. In the clarification, I can tell you more. Okay, I'm going to do your clarification. See again. Your solar plexus chakra is getting activated. Prosperity is coming towards you, Aquarius. Allow yourself to open your sacral chakra. Maybe some of you Aquarius needs to open your sacral chakra. Allow the universe to do necessary things which are important for you, because wow, there is emergence, there is divine feminine here, and I saw emperor, and here is the empress. The frequency of emergence invites us to approach our reality with a childlike attitude of innocence and wonderment, and to watch and celebrate the beauty that unfolds from that place. Beautiful message for you, Aquarius. They're sending your divine counterpart. Okay, you just need to enjoy it. Okay, you just need to celebrate the beauty that is going to unfold from that place. You has to take a childlike attitude, Aquarius, childlike attitude of innocence. Then there is divine feminine. The frequency of divine feminine supports our receptivity, nurturing, and soft side, allowing it to express itself openly and helping us to connect to our intrinsic and understanding of our connection to all creations. Beautiful, beautiful, Aquarius. You getting your healing. You are getting your divine counterpart. Then there is passion and there is magic, Aquarius. Okay, you getting your passion back. There is something which is happening in your life which you will say that what magic has happened in my life. Okay, the frequency of passion reminds us that beneath every intense emotions lies the hidden gem of insight, balance, and calm. It assists us in finding the balance within this intensity and moving us from chaos to the calm of its core, where we can let its long lasting wisdom fill us up. So, you are already, I told you every time that you are full of passions, Aquarius, and you are using your passions. Your passion is getting activated in yourself. And there is magic card. The frequency of magic supports our ability to grow and expand beyond this moment, to move towards possibility and expressions that are as grand and profound as we can imagine. All that is required is our belief in their manifestation. Yes, you need to keep your belief in your manifestation, Aquarius, because you are already manifesting your divine counterpart. And when the universe, the divine is sending you, can you see, when the universe is sending you your twin flame, your divine counterpart, you need to trust them. You need to trust them. You need to trust divine. They're sending you whatever you are manifesting it, because you were manifesting your divine counterpart. You want 10 of Pentacles. You want your emotional fulfillment. You want something which is stable, solid, grounded in your life. Can you see? Beautiful 2 aces in your reading. There is 10 of Pentacles, there is Ace of Cups, and there is Ace of Pentacles here. So in the extended reading, I'm going to clarify these cards, Aquarius. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, but the main energy for you is Aquarius. Beautiful things are coming towards you. You need to make a decision. Okay, you have to make some. I am getting the repeated messages. I don't know why, that some of you Aquarius are at the crossroads and you are unable to make a decision. Why you are not able to make a decision when these beautiful energies are surrounding yourself? Okay, so use your intuitions, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and light to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.